that's a good one too. Oh, hell yeah. The weightless might be the deal today. Oh, easy. I am getting my butt kicked, y'all. I should have some patience. I like it. And it had another one with it. Look right in front of you. Oh, bringing the boat with it. Come on, get it. Nope, come on, get it. Keep pressure. Just keep pressure. It'll keep coming. Bring it to the bathroom grass. This is good. What up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all rocking with me as always, y'all. We got a really good video in store today. Had a ton of fun shooting it despite a few camera technical difficulties. One camera died, one camera fogged up, so we are missing a little bit of footage. I don't get the full experience to bring to you guys, but I definitely had enough that I was definitely gonna make this video. Y'all get to see me get my butt kicked. Girlfriend put on a good old-fashioned clinic of keep it simple, and she kicked my butt. So without further ado, let's jump into it. We got a surprise at the end of the video. Maybe a giveaway, maybe. Stay tuned. I don't know if it's going or not right now.
Yeah, it's flushing. Do you want it to continue to do it?
It's a roll.
It's got a really cute view of your butt.
The world's not ready for that. A little nibbling? Uh-oh. Oh, that's a good one too. Just bring it up to the side of the boat. Just bring it up to the side. That's a nice fish. Yep, that's good. Oh, let down. I got it. Bam. That's mine now. Look who's on the board first. Out here in the middle though.
Yeah.
That's
Ooh, these are spicy. Fat. You need the pliers? You ate it, didn't you?
Yeah. Nice. Hey, no skunk. We didn't drive 2 hours to get skunked.
It's over by that thing.
Ta-da.
Ooh, right?
Nailed it. Nailed it. Oh yeah. The weightless might be the deal today. Look at that. I'm losing. That's what's happening. Y'all lucky she's on my team. team effort. There's no I in team.
How little.
Little baby girl. This is a baby girl. On it, on it.
Shit.
Hold on, easy, easy, bring it to me. Yeah, he gets close to the boat. Hold on, easy, easy. I am getting my butt kicked, y'all. I should have some patience. Look, y'all see that? She made me pick my worm back up.
I know.
That's 2 pounder.
That's a decent one.
That's 2 pound, the biggest yet.
Nice.
The biggest one yet. Well, I tell you what, Boo Cam is getting all the action.
I don't think it's on.
We do. There it is. Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Yo, it is 4-0. I like it. And it had another one with it. Look right in front of you.
Mm-hmm.
Ah. Boy, they're nothing on the worm. I'm still trying to figure out what bait works. Hard at it.
Sorry.
There we go. Ta-da! That's number 4. We doing big things. 'Cause I'm part of the team. I don't know about y'all. No I in my team. You doing? Right behind you. Oh, work on them. Oh. Oh, bringing the boat with him. Come on, get it. Nope, come on, get it. Keep pressure. Just keep pressure. It'll keep coming. Bring it to me. Bass through grass. This is good. That's good. That's good. It's not bad fish in there. It looks like. Yeah. Guys, it's 5-0. It's about a 2 1/4 pound.
There's another one.
See how she is? She's like, but there's another one. Can I have my hook back? Because
Throw your fish in, or throw your frog.
there's another one.
Oh my gosh. That's a decent size, babe.
Yeah, that's 2 1/4.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got it back.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, I'm glad I'm on
Uh-oh, where's her?
your team.
Did it take our worm?
You did. Hit this one right by your bow. There's one. There's one. 5 or 6 feet. Of pure grossness. It be's about time. Yeah, your last one was bigger. It's all good though. Who on the board, guys?
I told you you'd come back. You always do.
There we go, yo. We'll splash you. My guess is that right here, this little middle section where it's anywhere from like 6 to 15 feet, it's probably a lot of fish. I was gonna say, there's no reason not to get bit on the chatterbait, like none whatsoever. Is it catch up time? Said, is it time to catch up? Go big, Timmy. Hey, big. It's big. He's not real big to make a lot of noise. Again, we're out here in this little hole in the middle where there's some water. It's deeper out here. See, they're a weird looking piece of moss or a turtle. I think that's a fish. Or the Loch Ness monster. Eggs. Big one. Unless he's wrapped around that stump, which he is, but he's still a decent one. Here he comes. Came off.
Nice day.
No, come here, fella. With the grass on your ass. See them 3 in a row right there?
Yeah.
Right there. 1 sticking out and 2 below. Boom, boom, boom. It was right there. Well, I tell you what, that one's not spawned out. It's about 2.5. That's probably the biggest one. Look how fat that thing is. All right, well. Yeah. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Here we go. All right, all right. Oh, full on it. Coming on that grass. Coming in that grass. Nope, you get it. Right there, face down. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Don't grab it too close to the tip.
What?
That's how. Just.
Will you let me go? Oh my god. Ta-da.
she's still winning. It's 6-4. Yeah.
I think we could do a tournament.
I think we do just fine in just about anything.
Yep.
Again, in this, our only disadvantage would be that we couldn't run around and hit 50 spots. We'd have to hit 5 and make them count.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
You giving over? There's nothing new. Do you?
Yeah.
Come on with it. Oh, slow down, slow down. Just keep pressure on it. See how big it is. Just got what's working with. It's coming to you. It's a decent fish. Bring it over here. There in the water. Gotcha. Oh yeah. Y'all, she's really kicking my butt. I'm glad I caught slightly, maybe the biggest one. We'll see what the footage is. That's like 7-4. But we're a team.
Yes.
You know, Scottie Pippen was good too, just because he was on the team with Michael Jordan.
That's nice.
They just wanted you. You might want to change it. You got another worm? We're about to get back to them. Seen Belly back there hook anymore? Good one. Oh, that one ain't jumping off. Yeah.
That's a good one, babe.
Not bad. Boy, he got it too. Ate that like he wanted it. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry about your face. Look.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Look. He's bleeding a little bit, y'all, but he broke somebody else off.
Look, I got one too.
Do you?
No. All cool. Maybe. No. All cool. It would be cool if we could double up.
No, we still got a little time. Get him back because he took the worst of that one.
Oh.
You haven't had it many wachas today.
No, because, babe,
You've been dialed in today. You came in snatching them up. You went up 5-0 like, I don't know what's taking you so long, but I'm ready to catch some fish. Oh, get on it. Get on it. Yeah. Yeah. And another one. And another one. Oh, trying to get you in that grass. Keep pressure on. Good. You got Braid. Pull him out of there. Lay yourself some line. There you go. Here, swing this way.
Oh!
I got you. Booyah.
Nice.
Another 2-pounder.
Ooh, something's wrong with it. Look on that side.
Yeah, a little boogered up over there.
We're good.
You'll be alright. As she extends her lead. Patting.
What 10?
Patting. That's
This is
not.
8.
That was 8?
I think so. Because that last one I caught was 7.
That's the one that comes before 8. Most of the time. Most of the time. That's right, people. She kisses me right in the mouth. Same mouth I bite that thing off with. Love ya.
Thanks, babe.
All right, my people. That'll wrap it up on the water. Y'all, I'm out here in my garage right now. It is hot. Summer has hit the Midwest. It's about 97 degrees out right now. I'm sweating. Y'all don't mind me. But a lot of fun out there on the water. Baits that got it done today. As always, 6 cents Clout. If you got grass, you got bass, you're never gonna go wrong with that bait. Sneaky good, especially in heavy vegetation. When you're limited on what you can throw just because it's so much grass, grab you one of these. A little Braid. I don't usually use any weight on it. I throw it weightless and I just work it. If I got holes, I can let it sink in, let it sink down. Otherwise, you're almost working it like a topwater. They will eat this. And then lastly, and it didn't make the video, again, technical difficulties. I got my first fish on the 6 cent sweep. That 6 cent sweep. We got a really nice fish on that. I'm gonna pop up a picture of that. I lost the footage. Again, we had some technical difficulties. Again, we had some technical difficulties on the cameras on the water. The batteries wanted to act up. Of course they did. That's what they do, right? Batteries always act up. But I appreciate you guys. Yo, jump over to the Instagram page. We got a giveaway going up right now. Just received the latest 6 cents 6-sack. They have revamped it. I didn't think it really needed revamped. I enjoyed it the way it was, but if they want to make it better, by all means. I'm going to be giving away one of these each month. Every month I get one, I'm going to be giving it away. I'll do a quick unboxing and then one lucky person to go ahead and get it. I like sharing why I use 6 cent baits. People ask me that all the time. What better way to show you than to get some of them out there in your hands? So until next time, again, jump over to the Instagram page, y'all. I'm about to go get some ice water or some iced tea or sit in an ice bath. It's hot. Appreciate y'all. Hit them like, subscribe buttons. Till next time, deuces.